So you got the toe box of the LeBron. I'm not sure if this is an armor posit. In the previous shoe, up here around the collar, it would tell you what the material was. In a sense, it would say flight posit around the inside of it. That's not there on this shoe. The graphic at the heel is obviously, there's been a whole lot of stuff as far as fashion is concerned. That's a take on the 90s. So this graffiti is kind of a 90s look, like the Fresh Prince of Martin. But this is the James gang. I want to see if I can give you the inside of the shoe. And I can't. I'm trying to make that as clear as possible, but it's not getting as clear as I'd like it to be. But I want to make sure I spin this so you can see it. And you can give me your thoughts on it. Make sure that's in focus. At $200, man, I think a lot of what Nike is doing now is geared directly towards China. It's not geared towards basketball in the US because these, I just don't see them being worn off the court. I don't see anybody wearing them off the court. It does not have the kind of lifestyle quality that the 7 and 8, even the 9 and the 10 had. And people simply aren't wearing big basketball shoes anymore. So to charge $200 for this, kind of problematic as far as I'm concerned for Nike. But Nike can do what they want. Even at $200, when you think about it, if it goes on sale, wholesale for the shoe is $100. That means it probably cost them $60 to make it. They could sell it at $100 and still clear $40. I hate talking so negatively about a shoe because of the price, but $200, man, for kids who look up to LeBron James, kids can't afford that, man. Nike, you guys are wrong. I really don't care that I just said that either. $200, man. Kids admire ball players, not as much as they used to, but what are you trying to do to these kids? This is bananas. I'll quit complaining in the end of the video because now I'm really like getting irritated, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm just kind of bugged out over the fact that it's a $200 shoe. I understand the design elements and all of the different pieces and the molding and stuff like that, but you know, kids love these players, man. You don't take advantage of the kids, man, with these super expensive shoes. You know, I just don't think you do that. But who am I? Nike's $1 billion company. They can do what they please. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.